Hello.
Hello,
Yeah, sure. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. So today we are going to start with sequences.
Uh, yeah, I think continue on.
We are continuing with sequences. Huh? We have done question number 1. I hope you understand what is linear sequence, geometric sequence, and quadratic sequence.
Yeah, I do.
You understand that, now?
Yeah.
Okay. So question number 5 is something like that. The first term is the first term is 3, right? The term to term rule is term to term rule is term to term rule is multiply by 3 multiply by 3 then subtract 1, then subtract 1. Is it? Do you get this? First term is
3.
3. So, oh my god. A is equal to 3. So, A2 is what? Term to term. So, A multiplied by 3, right? A multiplied by 3 and then subtract 1. Right?
Yeah, so 8.
We have to write 4 terms. So this is how much? 3 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, right? So A2 is 8, right? Now we come A3. So A2 into 3 minus 1, it becomes 8 into 3 minus 1, 24 minus 1 is equal to 23. Is this?
Yeah.
A4 is equal to A3 multiplied by 3 minus 1. So we get 23 into 3 minus 1. It becomes 9. 6 minus 1 is equal to 68. Is it? And a fifth term is A4 into 3
This one.
-1.
दस तक खराब हो गया.
Is it? How much? Is it visible to you?
Yeah, it's visible. It's 203.
Oh, 68 into 3 -1. 3 times 8 becomes 4. So 24, 2, 6 times 3 becomes 18. 200 minus 1 is equal to 203. Is it correct? 203. Right? This was the part 1 of question number 4. Question number 5. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So can we go for B? Question number 5, part 2. Right? Here is second term. Second term means A2 is equal to 4. Right? The term to term rule, the term to term rule, term to term rule is multiplied by 2. Right? Is this? So now next 4 terms are A3 is equal to 2 into A2. Right? So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Right? And A4 is equal to 2 into A3. It becomes 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Like so. A5 is equal to 2 into A4. That is 2 into 16 becomes 32. Is this so?
Yes.
And what will be the A6? A sixth is equal to 2 into A fifth, that is 2 into 32, that you get 64, right? You get the 4 terms. Sorry. You get this?
Yeah.
Okay. So, remaining questions you can do by your own.
Yeah, I can.
You know, term to term rule is like this, like linear equation and linear sequence or geometric sequence, term to term rule, right? But we have now we have another question, position to term rule, right? Position to term. How to do this? Divided by 2. Write down the first 5 terms of position to. Question number 6. Should I rub this?
Yeah, you can rub it.
So, question number 6. Position to term rule. Position to term rule, right? Position to term rule. How you do this? Okay. In position to term rule, what happens? Suppose there is a question sequence square 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 oh sorry square, then add 1, right? So you make a table like this. This is the position, right? You have a position, then we have to take square square, then add 1, right? So position 1, what happens? 1 square, 1 square is 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So you get the number 2, right? When position is 2, then square, 2 square becomes 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Another number is 5. Then we get 3. Then we get 3, position 3. So 3 square, right? So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Getting? You get it?
Yeah.
I have a space. Yeah. If we go to 4, so 4 square is equal to 16. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Right? If we get a 5 here, so it becomes 5 square, which we get 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. You get this?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Point is that this is what, now we have a series, we have a series 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, right? Difference between these two is how much? Is 3, right? So first difference, 3, 2, first difference is 5 minus 2 becomes 3, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is how much? You get 5. 7 minus 10, you get 7. And so this is 26 minus 17 becomes 9. This is the first difference, right? And in second difference, 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 7 is equal to 2, right? So in second term we are having same difference, right? So this is position to, what I mean to say, position to term rule is for quadratic sequence, right? Here it is quadratic sequence. Here it is quadratic sequence. Is it visible? No, it's not. quadratic sequence. You get it? This is the position to term rule. We have to square then add. We done that. After that, when we find the sequence, so this is a quadratic sequence, right? So, hello.
Yeah.
May I rub this?
Yeah. You can rub it.
Okay. Now we have question number 6. It is first A is equal to position to term rule. Position to term rule right is divide by 2 is divide by 2 divide by 2. This is the rule. So we make a table, right?
Yeah.
We will make a table like this. We have to find 5 terms. So this is, we have position,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Getting? This is 5. Now, what is the rule? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So, how we do that? In divide by 2, you get 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Right?
Yeah.
2 by 2 is, you get 1. 3 by 2 is divided. So we get 3 by 2. Right?
Yeah.
If we get 4 divided by 2, we get 2. Right? And if we divide 5 by 2, then we get 5 by 2. Right? So our sequence will be 1 by 2, comma 1, comma 3 by 2, comma 2, comma 5 by 2. You get that?
Yeah.
You get this? Oh, you are great. So now we have question number 6. B part, right? Position to term rule is square then subtract 3. Square then subtract 3, right? So again we make a table like this. This is, oh my god, I put more pressure. This is position and rule is square then subtract by 3. You get this?
Yeah.
You're not feeling well?
No, I'm feeling well.
I put more pressure so it goes in. Anyway, so we have here one. Sorry, I won't use this. I will use this. You know, there is 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, and then we have 5. First we have to square then add. Subtract 3, sorry. First we have to take a square. So 1 square minus 3. Is this same, na? First square then subtract 3. Yeah, this is. So 1 square, 1 is 1 minus 3. How much you get? 1 minus 3 means negative 2. Is it?
Yeah.
Then we have 2 square minus 3. So we have 2 square is 4 minus 3. We get positive 1. Right? Then we get 3 square minus 3. So 3 square is 9 minus 3. How much you get? 6.
Yeah, 6.
Then 4 square minus 3. How much you get?
13.
16 minus 3 becomes 13. Right? And then we have 5 square minus 3. Then we get 25 minus 3 becomes how much? 22. Is this? So our sequences are -2, 1, 6, 13, and 22. You get this?
Yeah.
Okay. So can I rub this?
Yeah, you can rub it.
So we come to question number C of 6. Question number 6. Question number 6, part C. Position to term rule, right? That is square, then add 4, right? This is the term rule. Square and add 4. So we will make a table for this. This is the table. Position, and then we have rule, square, then add 4, right? This is.
Yeah.
Here we got 1, here we got 2, here we got 3, here we got 4, right? And I have still a space for 5. This is 5. So now we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1 square plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Right? Then we have 2 square plus 4. 2 square is 4 and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So we get here 5, here we get 8. Now here 3 square plus 4. So there is 3 square 4 3 square is 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Get it? 13. Now 4 square plus 4 becomes 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, right? And 5 square plus 4. So it becomes 25 plus 4 is equal to how much? 29. You get this?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what is the sequence?
The sequence is
5, 5, 8, 13, 20, and 29.
So it's like 3, 5, 7. So it's plus 2 each time for the second term
So
sequence.
yeah, so in first difference, what we get? In first difference, we are getting 3. Here we are getting 5. Here we are getting 7. Here we are getting 9. Shreya, is this so?
Yeah.
In first term, we are getting this 3, 5, 7, 9. And in second sequence, and in second difference, oh, in second difference, we get 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And this is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So in second difference, all the terms are constant. So this is
Yeah.
forming a quadratic sequence. Quadratic sequence. Right?
Yeah.
Do you agree with this?
Yeah.
Okay.